entering Mountain Time Zone. I think we're in New Mexico. Woo! Made it, man. We are in New Mexico somewhere. Look at that. Let's hit it. We're on our way. But yeah, we're heading on. Almost close to the trees, the Lincoln National Forest, and then up into kind of the mountains. See ya. We're getting closer to those mountains. It was cool. All the way back there, we could see in the far distance lightning. But if you could see, I don't know if my phone's doing it or not. That's rain cloud. That's rain over there, and then there's rain right there. It's just beautiful. I mean, wow, look at this, and then look over here. So check this out. This is our campsite. This is, well, right here. Just now setting up. And then they put horses over there. And then, wow, dude. I will climb that before we leave here. Not really, but. Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I bet I could. Maybe not. Very cool. What a cool place. So this is how cool this place is. So here's a bridge. No, let me go this way. We went this way. Our rig is over there. They have horses there. A cool little lookout tower over there, and then you go this way on the bridge. Kind of high up. That's kind of high up. And then you got this. And there's a waterfall right over there. Isn't that cool?